Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Welcome back to the channel. Today, as you can see from the thumbnail, I am unofficially reviewing a pressure washer kit. So like, as the title says, I fell for the old Instagram ads where like, it just showed me like all this cool like car cleaning stuff. And the funny thing is I already had a pressure washer from Harbor Freight. It was working okay, you know, it did its job, but I already used the new pressure washer to clean the Prelude and also I think both the Lexuses, the CT and the RX. But I used it with the kit, the foam kit that it came with. The ads got me were the McKillans snow foam Canon. So I haven't tried this yet. And also whoa, I already took it out, it's light, the swivel gun. So the kit, the pressure washer itself, it came with, again, its own foam cannon, and it also came with a humongous gun. I'll show you that in just a second. But the commercials or the ads where they get you is these two things, because one, these have that quick release. So I did have to later on. The reason why I washed the other cars, the Prelude and the two Lexuses with the kit is because at the time I did not have, where did I put it? Oh, it's over here. The quick connect adapters. So as you can see here, the only thing, this is part of the stock or what came with the pressure washer itself. This had a quick release just for the tip of the gun that it came with, and look how long this is, like a shotgun compared to the swivel gun. So this one doesn't swivel and it doesn't have a quick release there. This one is, you could use the tips that come with the pressure washer. And there's the pressure, well, I'll get the pressure washer, it's a mess right now, but the pressure washer comes with all these different tips. So you can use that quick release on the swivel gun, which is much shorter. And like it says, it swivels, so you don't get caught up. And then with the adapter, I was able to put this, which has, the gun already comes with a swivel there. And then I just added the adapter to that. And the foam cannon that came with the pressure washer is a regular screw-on, so I didn't like that. Whereas the new foam cannon that I bought, it has a quick adapter already installed with it, so we'll get it out, but pretty much you can see right there, already has it. So switching out between just pressure washer water and the foam cannon should be super easy. All right, so again, here is the foam container with a little straw, and then comes the top. You could adjust on the top on the fly for more or less foam, and there goes that quick release thingy. All right, so here's the pressure washer. I don't remember the name off the top of my head, so I'll let you know. Oh, actually, maybe it says it right here. The Active. Okay, the Active 2.0. The Active 2.0 pressure washer. Different tips there. Originally, I had only put the quick releases on a couple of the pieces, but now I decided, okay, so originally I had it only on this, right? So I could switch out between gun and foam gun. And then I realized, wait a minute, when I fill up these buckets, I don't want to do it with the pressure washer itself. I want to do it with this. So, by the way, I have filtered water to wash my car. Yep. Anyways, garage is a mess, by the way. Then I decided, okay, if I want to switch from this pressure washer to this, I added the quick release there, so I can just switch this out. And then the hose itself, so I could switch on here. This didn't come with the quick release, so I used that McKillans quick release thing to go right into here, or to go right into this or the gun. So many different options now, thanks to, or easy options I should say, thanks to this. And if you've had these type of hoses before, you know that the more you unscrew and screw this, the more worn out it gets, and then you have to throw away the whole assembly. Now with this, just a matter of doing that and you're in place to either the pressure washer to give it water, or to your standard garden hose gun. Anyways, yeah. All right, so next we need a car to wash. Again, I already washed the Prelude, although they get dirty really quick, so that's gonna need something after the wash, next time I wash it. And then again, the CT was washed as well, so we are jumping in to the Alfa Romeo 4C. Besides falling for the ads on Instagram, I also kind of falling for the videos, the reels that show the proper way of washing a car. Now, for the longest time, I've known that you start with the wheels in case something comes up and it doesn't get on the body of the car after washing the body of the car. But one thing I saw recently is starting off the entire car with foam, including the wheels, rinsing it all off, then refoaming again, going with the wheels. And yeah, it just sounds like a lot more work, but I'll give it a shot. We'll see. Also, I need the proper car washing shoes, Air Jordan 1 with Gore-Tex. All right, detergent in there. By the way, it smells so good. Okay, I used the foam gun to fill up the soap bucket. I got my water bucket, and then this is for the wheels. And I already sprayed the wheels with foam turned up high, and that thing works really good, really foamy. So that plus or minus thing on top is no joke. It'll give almost pure foam when turned all the way up, really thick, and then really watered down if you got it all the way to minus. So really like how that works. I'll let this soak for a little bit and then start scrubbing. All right, the Alfa Romeo 4C is back in the garage, super shiny, and like the wheels, man, George has competition. If you guys know George, he has new wheels every time I see him in his car. But yeah, look how clean the wheels came out. Again, the car super shiny. The top I did have to apply a little bit of like after wash wax just to give it that nice shine, just because it's black vinyl. But man, it came out very clean. And more than anything, I really like the quick connects. But of course, the only reason why I got the quick connects is because, again, I fell for the advertisement on Instagram for the swivel gun, which is a quick connect. That and the foam gun, the foam Canon, I should say. This is really good plus or minus on the, get it on the light, the foam action. So definitely recommend all this setup. And then the Active 2.0, which is back in its little mess. I'm gonna create something here for like a better setup for the car washing items. They also sell a wall mount that is basically the equivalent of connecting to one of these. So for example, if I wanted to place this gun, I could just click it on to like a wall mount that's like this. And same thing with any other pieces. And I think I could even do quick release on this as well. So I don't see a need to do so at the moment, but maybe, or it's just doable. It's doable. I think I might even have the connection still here. It comes with a lot. So anyways, not a paid sponsorship for these items. I did have another dash cam that I was supposed to review today, but we'll have to do that video at another time. But yeah, again, not paid, but I fell for an Instagram ad and about all this stuff, and I'm not disappointed, not at all. Anywho, that's gonna do it. I'm going to have some more content coming in for the Prelude because we have some parts coming in, and I have to give you updates on it. And the 4C is the 4C. Whoa. Yeah, we're just gonna have fun with it. That's gonna do it. Talk to y'all later.